Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Law of Attraction Mastery Workshop. And like every other video, I'm going to start this video with a very simple same question. What is that question? If you don't know the question, it means you've not been watching my earlier videos. So go back and watch all the earlier videos as well. Okay? But let me start with that very important question. What's that question? Have you done your manifestation today? Did you use Law of Attraction today? Did you do your visualization today, affirmation, or maybe your gratitude exercise today? Because if you're not using Law of Attraction, if you're not using your manifestation on a daily basis, you're not going to vibrate at the frequency of your goals, and then you're not going to attract it, right? So right now, if you haven't done it today, pause this video, stop this video, and do your visualization right now. Your affirmations, your gratitude, do your manifestation, come back and then watch this video, okay? All right, so let's start this video today. Excuse me. This video is going to be shorter compared to the earlier videos, but it's going to be very, very powerful. This video is all about understanding the difference between acceptance and expectations. I repeat, acceptance and expectations. Let me give you an example to understand this. So a few days ago, I was trying to book a hotel on some websites online for one of my holidays in Prague for next month, which is in Europe. But when I was booking this hotel, I was looking for three criteria. I was looking for the right cost, which is as per my budget. I was looking for the right size of the room because I didn't want a very small room. At the same time, I was looking for a hotel with the right location, which is very close to major attractions in that city. So don't have to waste a lot of time on moving around locations, and I can just focus on the major attractions close to my hotel, right? So with these criteria, I started looking for the hotel. For about 2 hours, I searched, but I didn't get the right hotel. So because of negative experience for 2 hours, I started believing that maybe the right cost, the right size, and the right location, all these combinations don't exist. But is that really true? That's not true. There is some hotel out there which meets all these criteria, right? Now, I'm not attracting it because I'm not vibrating at the exact frequency of that hotel right now. So what do? I change my frequency. How do I change my frequency? Well, the first point is I believe that this kind of hotel exists. If you believe that this kind of thing doesn't exist in life, then you can never attract it, right? So I said, okay, let me believe it. But then came the question to my mind, how will it happen? I haven't got it for the last 2 hours. What's the number one rule for Law of Attraction? Don't ask how, right? So I said, okay, forget the how. Let me vibrate at the right frequency of this hotel by doing what? By manifestation, by using one of the techniques of Law of Attraction. As you know, my personal favorite is the visualization technique. So I closed my eyes and I visualized that it's already been 5 minutes and I've already attracted the exact hotel with the right cost, the right size of the hotel, in the right location with major attractions close to it. And what I did was, after I did my visualization, I said thank you as if I already have it. So I expressed gratitude for it. I felt good about it. I got excited about it. I switched off my laptop and I went away for 15 minutes and I acted as if this call is already done, as if I've already done my booking. So for 15 minutes, FTBA, as if you already have it, right? And then I came back in 15 minutes, opened up my laptop, switched it on, and then I looked for another hotel on the same websites, and bingo, in about 5 minutes, I got the right hotel. You believe it, it was the exact budget I want, it was the exact size I want, and it was the exact location that I wanted with major attractions around it. In fact, it was just 5 minutes away from all the major attractions of the places that I wanted to go to in Prague, right? Now, how did I get this? How did I attract this? Because I started vibrating at the exact frequency of this goal. A few minutes earlier, my mind was going to give up. Why? Because of negative experience for 2 hours. But whenever you have negative experiences, your mind will tell you, a lot of people around will tell you that accept what you have, otherwise you're going to lose it. Your mind will scare you that if you lose even these 2 hotels or these 3 hotels that you've shortlisted, you might even lose these hotels. But listen, there's always something out there which meets your expectations. Believe me on that. So if your expectations are higher, don't accept something which you don't expect. I repeat, don't accept something that you don't expect. If your expectations are higher, don't accept something less than that. Let go of this acceptance and wait. Have patience and wait for what you expect. Have patience. I repeat, have patience. Wait for what you expect. But don't just wait by worrying. Don't just wait by being negative and feeling angry and frustrated and getting tensed all the time. No, then you're going to move away from your goals because you're vibrating against the frequency of your goals, right? So what do? You manifest, use the Law of Attraction techniques to manifest, vibrate at the frequency of your goals, of your expectations, and then FTB as if you already have it, right? Live for a few minutes, for a few days as if you already have it. And then take action as if you already have it. Take action with full intention that you're really going to attract this goal. And bingo, you get the right hotel. So I'm going to give you some examples of every area of your life. To start with, let's take your personal life. Now, let's say in your personal life, you're trying to attract a life partner, and you find a particular guy or a particular girl for marriage, but it's not exactly at the expectation that you want. So your mind will tell you, because of the negative experience that you've not been getting the right person for so long, that now that you've got somebody, accept it. Otherwise, you might lose this person. You're going to get scared. People will scare you, saying, just settle with what you have, otherwise you will never get anything more in life. That's not true, guys. Law of attraction is all about the world of magic. It's not the world of logic. And believe me, there is someone always better out there, right? Better than anybody out there. There's always someone better out there. So if you expect something, wait for it. Have patience. Don't settle for a person. Don't accept a person if it doesn't match your expectations. You want a person in your life who loves you, who's got the right character, who makes a decent amount of money, at the same time who's healthy, who's good looking, who has a good character, who you know will love you, will take care of you. Whether it's you looking for a guy or whether it's you looking for a girl, depending on who you are listening to this video right now, if you have certain expectations, wait for those expectations to be fulfilled. Because if you accept something out of fear, then you're vibrating at the frequency of that acceptance level, and that's exactly what you will attract then. Okay, so I would say have patience. Manifest that you've attracted the right person already. Say your affirmations on a daily basis. Have gratitude as if you've already got it. Live life like you've already have this person in your life. You've already attracted this person in your life. And then take action and believe it. You'll attract the right person in your life, right? A professional example can be if you're looking out for a job, well, and let's say you go out there giving interviews and you don't get any job for a few days, and then suddenly you get one interview which you pass and you get the job, but the job is not exactly at the expectation which you have. It's a little lower than that. So your mind will scare you. Your mind will say, accept this, because otherwise you're not going to get the job ever. You'll get scared. No, wait. If you have higher expectations, believe in magic. Wait for it. There's something out there which is based on your expectations right now. So what do? Don't settle for less than what you deserve. Don't settle for less than what you expect. Let go of this acceptance and wait and have patience. What do you mean by have patience? Don't worry about your job every day. Don't get tensed every day. Don't get low frequency every day. What do? You manifest like you already have your job. Use your visualizations, use your affirmations, say thank you for your new job every day. Live life like you already have your job every day, and take action for interviews, right? Don't just sit at home, okay? Take actions confidently. And then what happens? Have patience. In a few days, you attract exactly what you expect because you're vibrating in the right frequency now. Another example professionally can be if you're in business, you're trying to attract a particular client who would pay you, let's say, a certain amount of money based on what your services are. But you get clients who negotiate with you and give you less than what you expect. So what do? Your mind says, take it, accept it, otherwise you won't get money in your life. And I say, no, wait for the right clients. Keep vibrating at that frequency. There's always someone out there with your frequency. All your goals are out there. You just have to vibrate at the right frequency. So don't accept these clients. Say no to them. Don't get scared. You will attract the right clients who will pay you the services based on what your expectations are. But don't just wait by being worried. Don't just wait by being scared and fearful. Manifest like you already have the right clients who are paying you the exact amount of money based on the services that you are providing and with the expectations that you have. Now, have gratitude. Use your visualization every day. Say your affirmations every day. Feel, think, believe, and act like you already have these kind of clients. And take action confidently. And you will attract your expectations. You will get the right frequency and you'll get the right kind of clients. Okay, so those are some of the examples. Now, I'll give you one example of a recent person from the Law of Attraction Mastery group. I can't tell you the name because of confidentiality, but there was this one girl recently who came home for coaching, and she wanted to get divorced with her husband because relationships were not working well, and she wanted to move on in her life. But for some reason, the divorce was just not happening because this guy's out of India and he was not coming here, and she was not able to convince him. So things were just not working well. And as per the law, they need to be with each other for a certain period of time before the divorce really happens. I don't remember all the details, but it was just not happening. So I said, forget all the negative experiences. Don't accept what you have in your life. Expect what you want in your life and manifest like it's already done. And she did that. And in about 15 days after that coaching program, she called me back, and here's what happened. She said that a new law has come up as per her lawyer just a few days ago, which says that now you don't have to stay with your ex-husband or your husband or your wife for a certain period of time anymore. If you have a mutual agreement, you can divorce in just 15 days and things can happen. So she was very happy. So she signed up all the documents, and here's what happened. And a few days ago, she messaged me another message saying that the documents are signed and the divorce is already done. She's very happy. She has a new life to start now. So what am I saying here? I'm saying don't accept something that you don't expect. Wait for it to happen. Have patience. Visualize every day. Say your affirmations every day. Say thank you every day like it's already done. Feel, think, believe, and act like it's already done. And then, bingo, magic will happen in your life. But wait for it. Most importantly, when you're waiting for it, do not engage into negative frequencies. Do not engage into negative emotions. Do not engage into negative thoughts, negative talking, right? It's very, very important that you don't do that, all right? So take care, guys. That's about this video. Manage your acceptance, which means don't accept something based on your expectations. If you have higher expectations, wait for it. Have patience. Bring your frequency up, and you will attract what you want in your life if you wait long enough with the right frequency while you visualize every day, take action every day, and make sure that you have patience. All right? So thank you, guys. Take care. Post your questions about this video in the Facebook group. Share your success stories in the Facebook group. Let's help each other become magicians. All right? So take care, guys. Bye-bye. And keep manifesting every day. Use your visualizations. Use your gratitude. Use your affirmations every day. Okay? Take care, magician. Bye-bye.